Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want us to go through download and installation of Kali Linux. So first we go to the Kali Linux website. Just type Kali Linux, and this is the website. We click the link. Now we are on Kali Linux website. Just click on the Get Kali tab. So we want to install Kali Linux on a virtual machine. So just click virtual machine. Our system is 64-bit. We have different virtual machines. We have VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and Kim. Just click VMware. Just download to VMware. Now, as you can see here, we have a download going on. Now, this is our download, and I've just extracted it. Now, this is the folder download. This is the Kali Linux folder. So now let's go to VMware. Click on the VMware Workstation. So I have one instance, John3. Now let me go to the file, open. Let's go to the download. Now we have Kali Linux here. Just click this file, open. So this is our Kali Linux. We can go to virtual machine settings. Yeah, okay, memory, you can add memory, you can keep it 4. Processor, you can change, you can add. So you can make these settings and then click OK. So let's power on the virtual machine. Let's wait for the process. Okay, we have a login dashboard here. So the username is Kali and the password is Kali. Just click login. So okay, now we are good. Now we have our Kali Linux on our virtual machine, VMware Workstation. So you can do whatever you want. You can go to the command line. So next time I'll show you how to connect VPN to HTTP. Hack the box. So stay tuned. Hold on, guys. Thank you.